Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to show you how to turn off your location on Discord web for PC, especially after the recent updates. Your privacy matters, so let's jump right into it. First, open Discord web on your preferred browser. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all the fantastic features Discord has to offer. Once you're on the Discord web interface, look for the web address bar at the top of the screen. Right next to the address, you'll see a small padlock icon or an information symbol. Click on that icon. This will bring up the site information. After that, you'll see a pop-up with various options. Look for something that says Site Settings and click on it. This is where you can manage permissions for this website. Now, in the Site Settings menu, scroll down to find the Permissions section. Here, you'll see the option related to location. Click on it to expand the options available. To stop Discord from accessing your location, simply toggle the setting to Block or disable it. And that's it. You've successfully turned off location tracking on Discord web. If you need to change this back in the future, just follow the same steps and toggle it on again. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks. Catch you in the next video.